my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello. My name is Lauren. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my bathroom cleaning routine, everything that I do to try and keep it as clean as possible so that it's nice and well taken care of. Hopefully this will give you guys a little bit of cleaning inspiration as well. And if you need a little bit more, I also have a ton of cleaning videos. They're all in my cleaning playlist. I'll have it linked here on the screen, down below in the description box, and at the end of this video for you guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. End of the video. I hope that you all found this a little bit inspiring, a little bit motivating, maybe to help you go and clean your own area of your house, whatever it be, bathroom, bedroom, living room. You know, hopefully this is nice and inspiring. If you do need a little more inspiration, I have an entire playlist full of cleaning videos. You can find it at the end of this video or in the description box below if you guys want to check out more. Also guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you found it interesting. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. You can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. And without further ado, that brings us to the end of the video guys. I hope you all enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!